is white, as it is a symbolism of pure, genuine, and authentic love. We are now seeing that Randall and Thea are both slicing the cake together, which is their commitment to become one forever. As the cake is a symbolism of a healthy relationship, this will be shared to all those who witness their union here at Emerald Events Place. Provider daw si Randa. Here comes the train. Yum. It's the groom's turn to give a piece of cake to the bride. Ay, he have... Ah, sorry. Good. See, akala ko nila.